What is up, my beautiful human beings? It's your girl Cassidy. Welcome back to my channel. So let's first address the elephant in the room. The fact that I'm wearing glitter liner because I got inspired from Deca Scarlet. No, the elephant in the room is that I did cut my hair, you guys. There wasn't any specific reason for it other than I'm slowly trying to cut the damaged hair out because you guys know I was previously blonde. And I decided to just do this blunt cut. I've never been scared to cut my hair short, so I'm still getting used to it, still trying to see how I can style it and everything like that. But so far, I really like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So now let's talk about makeup, because today I tried something a little bit different with my makeup. I felt like new hair, new me, why not, you know? And I also got inspired because I have my new Deca Scarlet little box, and my box is the edition number 16. So this month came with a full face palette, just like Deca Scarlet always does, and my bonus product, which is this gorgeous glitter liner that really had me inspired when I sat down to film this video. So you guys know I've spoken about Deca Scarlet before on my channel, and that's because I just seriously love working with them. I love working with their products. I think they're an amazing makeup brand, but they're not only a makeup line, they are also a monthly subscription, and they collaborate with YouTubers on these different palettes. So not only do you get to get new products every month, but you also get to support some of our fellow creators on here, which is really awesome. Not only do you get to do all of that with this brand, but it's all for only $29.95 a month. That gets you a full face palette plus a bonus product, so you get something different every single month. And on top of that, I'm gonna save you guys some money because my link in the description box gives you 30% off for your first monthly subscription with Deca Scarlet. So love this brand so much. I think it's so worth it. Thank you, Deca Scarlet, for sponsoring part of today's video. But you guys know I just love working with this brand. I think they're really amazing. Like I told you guys last time, sometimes I feel like I just don't get enough inspiration from the things that I use daily, and I kind of just tend to stick to my regular makeup routine. So today I decided to get a little bit out of my comfort zone, and that's because I was inspired by my box that I got this month. So without further ado, I just want to move into this video, show you guys how I got this simple yet creative and fun makeup look that I am so obsessed with. Like, I think this glitter liner is genuinely going to become a thing for me. Before we jump into it, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Join the Cassidy Secrets fam. It's lit over here and we have a great time. So without further ado, let's just jump right into today's video. We're gonna get right into this thing. I'm creating the look today with the Deca Scarlet edition number 16 palette. So this is like my monthly little subscription, and this one is in collaboration with this gorgeous girl right here. Her name is Vianney Strick, and she created this palette in collaboration with Deca Scarlet. How pretty is this packaging? I swear Deca Scarlet always has the cutest packaging. This is what we're working with today. Oh, this looks so pretty. I'm so excited to use this color called Haven right here. Oh my gosh, so cute. So we've got 3 eyeshadows, a bronzer, a highlighter, and then 2 lip colors. This month's bonus little product also came with this. This is a glitter eyeliner, and it's in the shade Violet Aura. It's so pretty. It looks like a gorgeous, like, purpley grayish glitter eyeliner. It's gorgeous, but once I get started on the makeup, I'm gonna zoom you guys in and everything. So I already have my eyebrows filled in and my lids prepped. Okay, hi, what's up? I know, it's so short. So I'm just gonna, of course, start off with the eyes. The first shade that I'm gonna take is this one right here. It's called Plush. It looks like it could be a bronzer and a blush. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that just to create a nice little transition in my eyes. Get a little warmth in there. That looks super pretty. This is gonna be like a really pretty, glamorous, glitzy kind of look. Something very wearable. I don't want my transition to be like too dark or anything. I just wanted to throw a little bit of color in the crease. For the lid, I'm going straight in with this color right here called Haven. This looks like the most beautiful, shimmery, pinky silver sort of color. I don't really know how to describe that, but it's really pretty, and it almost looked like in the pan, it looks like it's almost wet. So I'm really excited to see how that goes on my eyes. Just loading up my flat shader brush with that, and then I'm just going straight onto my lid. Oh my gosh, this color is so pretty. I knew from looking at this color in the pan that it was gonna be gorgeous. Just has that beautiful, like, wet look without even wetting it. So now that we have that on the lid, I'm just going to work at the edges a little bit, very lightly, to make sure it's nice and blended. I'm actually going to pick up some of that plush color, and I'm going to add a little bit more of that to the very outer crease right here. Now for a little bit more of a highlight, I'm taking this shade right here. This is called Serenity, and it's a really pretty, it looks like it's slightly shimmery, but it's like an off-white color. And I'm just gonna pop that for a little bit of brightness. Wow, that just like brightened it up a lot. Looks really nice. My inner tear duct. And I usually don't do this, but today, just for added detail, I'm adding a little bit of this shade to the brow bone, just to kind of define that and bring forth my brow bone a little bit. I feel like that's perfect because it's not too shimmery. It's nice and subtle, so you can see the difference. This one just kind of looks more defined and just like a little bit brighter, but not too dramatic where I have like a super shimmery brow bone, because that's not really my vibe. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a winged liner on. I'm using the Revlon Color Stay Sharp Line. I'm just gonna create half of a winged eyeliner. I'm not going through my whole eye. I'm just keeping the wing on the outer corner right here. Okay, now that my winged eyeliner is done, I am gonna go ahead and take this super fun and beautiful glitter liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna put it over that black liner to add a little bit of that glitter. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I wanted to put the black down first because I wanted it to have more of a darker look. Wow, this is stunning. Wow, I didn't expect this liner to be so pigmented with the glitter. Because you know, some of these can be like watered down, but this one is... That's amazing. So pretty, gorgeous, stunning. 10 out of 10, love that. I'm gonna go ahead and pop a little bit of mascara onto my top lashes. Okay, cool, mascara's on. Now I can move on to my face, but I can't get over how cute this glitter liner looks. I haven't done like a nice little pop of detail like that in a really long time, and I think it looks freaking adorable. All right, now so for the rest of my face, I am using MAC's Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Gold Light, and I'm just gonna prep my face with that. I have found this product again, and I've been loving it lately. You guys know I used this in my Soft Glam tutorial, and like it just adds the most beautiful sheen to your skin. It's like that barely there shine, but it looks so gorgeous. And for my dry skin, it just gives it the perfect amount of luminosity that I'm missing during these winter months. Because you guys, it has been so rough with my skin. It's not even funny. I just can't seem to fight these breakouts on my face no matter what I do. My next resort is to get a facial because it's just been like really bad. I don't know what it is. It's like my pores are just so clogged here. And I've tried, I know that a lot of people get breakouts here from like putting their blush and their bronzer, but I not only washed my brushes, I bought completely new brushes. Like this brush is brand new and it's still like, I just have really clogged pores in this area of my face. And like right here, I don't have any pimples, right? But if you look really closely at my skin, there's like little bumps, and those usually end up turning into full-blown pimples like these. So I don't know what it is. I need to get a facial, but for now we'll just cover them up with the illusion of makeup. I'm going in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Punjab. I'm sorry I like never mention shades for you guys. I always forget to do that. And I saw a comment in my last video that said like, oh, what shade are you in this? And I was like, oh my gosh, can't believe I didn't say that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Il Makiage 100 foundation blending brush, and I'm just gonna use that to blend in. I like this brush because it just helps me do it really quickly. And I feel like with a beauty blender, I'm kind of like there. Although I love beauty blenders still, I just feel like this has been a little bit faster for me lately. Now I'm going in with my concealer. You guys know that I've been using this one a lot. This is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer, and I'm in the shade G Light 2. This one is great for me for winter, but I know in the summer months it's going to be way too light. But right now it's absolutely perfect. I don't need too much of this because it's very, very full coverage. And this I blended out with my beauty blender. I'm like very carefully not going over my glitter liner because I definitely don't want that to be covered up. All right, now I'm gonna set my concealer and foundation with my Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. You guys know how much I love this powder. I think it's amazing. I just set my under eyes with that. Take my big fluffy brush and press it into my skin while kind of moving it around to set the rest of my face. So we can talk about why I cut my hair, you guys. I know this was like a super random transition, but I cut my hair because you guys know that I was once bleach blonde. Like my whole head of hair was bleach blonde. I know a lot of you started following my videos because you found my blonde hair care tutorials. So this is basically the makeup of having damaged blonde hair. My roots, about like 3 or 4 inches, is my natural hair. Like this is all my natural hair. And then this little bit is like the damaged hair still. But I tried to cut a bunch of that out because it was just like making styling my hair so much more difficult. And bronzing my skin with Physician Formula's butter bronzer. And this is the darker one because I know there's 2 shades, but this is the deep bronzer. And the sooner I cut it, although I do want long hair, the sooner I cut the damage out, the better. Like the sooner it's gonna grow back, and then the sooner I can have healthy long hair, because I don't want to grow my hair out that has like insanely damaged pieces at the ends, because it's just not gonna look good. Even though it'll be long how I want, it'll just look so damaged and like it needs some moisture. So I'd rather just cut those pieces off, cut the damage. It's 2020, cut the damage out of your life, and that's what I'm doing. So that's that. I hope you guys like the new hair. I don't know, like I'm still getting used to it. At first I was kind of like 50-50. I was half like, did I just make a huge mistake? Half I feel empowered AF because I just feel like a badass with my hair so short and like I can do anything, you know? I don't know, sometimes something about short hair just really empowers me. It makes me feel like a boss or like a winner or like a leader. I'm just like, yeah, nothing's holding me back. Okay, so I'm going back into the Deck of Scarlet palette, and I am taking the shade Mindful, which is a beautiful, like it has like a pinky tone highlight to it, which I usually don't use, but I figured like changing some things up and trying some new stuff this year. I don't know. I know you guys know that I tend to get kind of bored with my makeup, so I haven't been wearing highlighter a lot, but this one is so different. and it's so pretty, but it still adds like that glow. Like it has this like pinky tone to it. I love it. Like it almost looks like an addition to my blush. How freaking adorable is that? I love that. That's so cute. You know what, you guys? I actually love this so much that I'm going to take that as well. And I'm going to put it on my inner corner because it really just like added that beautiful like iridescent pink shade and kind of ties the highlight and the nose highlight together. I hope you guys can see that on camera because it's like this beautiful like iridescent pearly kind of tone. I'm gonna go ahead and pop some mascara on my lower lashes and then I'll come back to finish off the lips. Lining my lips with my NYX Natural Lip Liner. And then popping some of my Fenty gloss on. Really pretty. Oh my god, this looks so cute. This is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I am digging this look. I feel like it's super wearable, but at the same time it has like that little kick to it, you know? Like I would wear this on a night out, like not even to anything crazy, just like a simple dinner. I would definitely wear this and it's just such a cute little detail. I love that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look. Do not forget to check my description box for all the details on Deck of Scarlet. My link that I have for you guys down below will provide 30% off of your first month subscription with Deck of Scarlet. So I highly recommend you check them out. I always get so much inspiration getting these palettes monthly. So I think it's a really amazing thing that you guys should totally check out. I want to thank you guys for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you know how much it means to me from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys so, so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!